Welcome to the new clubhouse. I wanted our first order of business to be voting in our new patches. Before I do that, I think it's only fair they know exactly where the club is at. As far as the Irish go, it looks like the peace is real. I'm gonna cut Connor loose today, make sure everything moves forward with Clay. Bobby can walk us through our sad financials.
Yeah, they are pretty sad, I'm afraid. Looks like it's gonna be a while before we get the green light to open TM. And even once we do, my guess it's gonna be pretty slow for a while. As far as the maintenance contract for Charming Heights goes, looks like that's not gonna happen until the fall. So we have Diosa. It helps. But we are paying Nero back straight out of the profits, so just ain't putting out much.
Yeah, Colette and her girls are a little spooked by Nero's bullshit arrest. So, the Diosa expansion in Stockton's on hold until I can convince her otherwise. Let's just keep looking for ways to earn that don't put us in the fire. If you guys come up with any ideas, please, bring them to the table. You guys good with all that?
Good.
Yeah, I get it.
I'm good, brother.
Okay. Alessandro Montez, Orlin West, Rain Quinn, letters are good. They're free to jump charters. All in favor of making these three men Redwood Original. Yay!
Yeah.
Opposed? Welcome to Sam Crow, boys!
Quinn, welcome to the Pro, man.
When?
Welcome, brother.
There's one more name I want to put on the table. Rat Boy. It's been almost a year since he put on the prospect patch, and I think he's shown us a lot. He's smart, he's loyal, fearless, works like a dog, and unlike most of you gossip whores, he knows when to shut up. As a sponsor, I think he deserves a full patch, so. All in favor of making George Skogstrom a member of Redwood Original. Yay.
Yeah.
Opposed? Go get him.
Yeah?
Sit down.
At the table?
No, on my dick. Yeah, at the table.
Take off the cut. On the table. I need you to cut off that prospect rocker.
Hey, replace it with this, young brother.
You're in, son.